Solid AHDS2-1080 Freedish suitable FTA hybrid Android 10 smart TV box. 4K OTT hybrid set-top box. This box is able to play content from OTT, YouTube, satellite, and USB hard drives. Support OTT. Yes, this box supports your favorite OTT applications like Hotstar, Sony Live, Z5 MX Player, Solid TV Box, and others you can download from the Google Play Store. You can also subscribe to pay TV channels from Sony Live, Sony TV, Sony Max HD, Sony Max, etc., and other OTT applications which you can watch along with DD Freedish channels. Support resolution. This box is able to 4K videos from YouTube and other platforms, and 1080p Full HD 60Hz videos from satellite.